Bombewala. I am a former model. I modeled through some amazing golden years of the fashion industry back in the 90s and the 2000s, a time where solo shows were brilliant and was the way and the norm to go. I have worked with some really amazing fashion designers and choreographers, which I'm very proud of and honored to have been part of. I think what the pandemic has taught us is that we don't really need much. We should be able to sustain, use things, use them again. Fast fashion is not the way to go. Make clothes that you can wear at different times of the year for different occasions, multiple occasions, reuse them. It is important as a global community, as a fashion global community, to think about these things as well. As far as jewelry designing is concerned, there's many different trends going on. Lately there is lab-grown diamonds as well, so there's options of owning jewelry that would otherwise be really expensive for people to buy natural stones, naturally grown stones, as opposed to lab-grown. So there are lots of trends. There's a lot of stuff happening for so many people that can be amazing. So to use these opportunities, but also be mindful, I think. Mindful is what we need to be.
एक तो आफ्टर कोविड ये फर्स्ट लाइव शो हो रहा है अभी वो काफ़ी टाइमों के बाद आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 2 years. सो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ उसके लिए और लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड के लाइव शो देखने को मिला है बॉम्बे में आफ्टर 2 years के पास, बिकॉज बॉम्बे के बाहर तो लाइव शोज़ हो रहे हैं मगर बॉम्बे में ज़रा रेस्ट्रिक्शन की वजह से, कोविड की वजह से नहीं हो रहे थे. एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड. और ये मेरा 2nd year है सस्मिरा का एनुअल शो जज करने का. एंड टैलेंट्स लास्ट ईयर भी काफ़ी अच्छे थे, लाइक इंस्पिरेशन मिला हमको भी स्टूडेंट लोग से. एंड दिस ईयर ऑल्सो आई लुक फॉरवर्ड के क्रिएशन और उत्साह और न्यू कुछ क्रिएटिविटी मिली हमको और इंडस्ट्री में न्यू टैलेंट्स का लॉन्च कर सके.
मिहिर मेहता, आई एम वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ सासमीरा. सासमीरा इज़ अ वेरी ओल्ड एंड रेप्यूटेड इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मुंबई सिटी. We are there since almost 65 years and we are one of the recognized textile institutes not only in India but all over the world. We have more than 40,000 alumni and students who are there in very high positions in industry and trade, not in Indian industry as well as international industry. We are part of the fashion show today for our fashion students. It's called Enchante. That's the theme of the show, and the theme is art decoded. Our students have interpreted old art and modern art in their own way as an expression by bringing it to clothes and fashion clothes as such. It's an extremely new theme. It's going to be an exciting theme. Our students, faculty and the entire team have worked extremely hard to give a fantastic show for all of you.
Ita Ganguly, and I'm very happy that this is happening today, Sasmira, SIDT, the fashion show finally, and I'm sure actually that this has been quite a challenging effort for all, and क्योंकि ये बहुत अभी I think last year के बाद after the pandemic, or we are still not over with the pandemic, and we are having this at a physical in-person level. So ज़रूर बहुत ही challenges आए होंगे, but amongst the students, the faculty and everyone, the whole team, and I would actually wish them all the best, and I'm very, very excited actually to be here today.
I am Dr. Krishnendu Datta. I am the Dean of Sasmira's Institute of Design and Textiles. I'm heading the entire department where fashion, textile designing, apparel merchandising and various other full-time and part-time courses are there in this thing. We also have a degree course from Mumbai University in fashion designing as well as one in textile designing.
Since how long are you there in this industry?
I have been here in the industry since the last 25 years. Okay, and rather than me, I would like to tell about the Sasmira's Institute of Design and Textiles. We are the only college in Maharashtra which is offering the degree program in fashion designing and textile designing in collaboration with the University of Mumbai. No other colleges have.
My name is Lokesh Karikar. I am a visual artist, and I think this show is very important because I think we are celebrating the artist, and these artists saw the world in a very different way. So I think, so I'm like really excited to see what will be the show like.
Right. Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Priyanka Pedgeri, course coordinator of design department at SIDT. Yes, so we ensure that our syllabus committee has the best of the experts from the industry, and we keep on revising our syllabus to make it at par with the industry standards as per their requirements. We train our students according to their requirements, and whatever feedbacks they give it to us, we ensure that they get 360-degree knowledge with respect to design and fashion. Also maximum inputs regarding textiles, and that's how we keep our students updated.
I'm Krina Parekh from BSc FD from Sasmira College, and today is our fashion show. So the whole journey of fashion show has been very interesting. The mentors have trained us so well, and the whole journey has been so enjoying also, and we have learned a lot from this whole fashion show this year. Apart from such a pandemic, we have been, these people, the mentors have been able to come up with such good facilities for us for such big, huge fashion show over here. So we are very thankful for that as well. And the whole journey of doing this whole fashion show from top to bottom has been very, it's been a task, but it has been very interesting. And
hello everyone. I'm Dr. Sivaram Garde, in-charge director of Garwari Institute, University of Mumbai. Madam.
Hello everybody, I'm Shilpa Borkar, placement officer at University of Mumbai's Garwari Institute of Career Education and Development.
Sir, could you share about your courses? What is the need of the industry?
Actually, let me first say that it's my privilege to be here. And I'm very happy to say that the Sasmira Institute and the Garwari Institute, we have come together and started this particular course. Actually, this particular course was started in the year 2017, and it is very much need of the hour because the fashion designing is not something new which is going on. If you look at our history, it starts right in the era when the chaos like Ellora and Ajanta were going on. There you can see this matching combination, and it is very apt now that we have come up with this kind of particular course, and it is like an educational institute coming with a professional institute, and that is really going to give more output, and the students will be benefited from this.
So there is definitely a lot of placement opportunities, and not just as employees but employers as well. So students who do not take up positions in a corporate or with a designer or an already existing establishment, they start on their own and they are freelancers. So there are ample career opportunities for everybody who wishes to be in this field.
Hi, this is Manali Jagtap and I'm a fashion designer. I started when I was, अभी मैं बता दूंगी कि मैंने started फिर मेरा age पता चल जाएगा. Which is not a good thing to ask, but let me tell you, I started when I was 21. So yeah, the journey's been long and extremely good.
Over the years, what changes have you seen, and where do you see the future of the industry?
You know, over the years is too far. I am talking about this industry changes every 6 monthly, I feel, because I had to take a sabbatical for 2 years because of my health, and I was off the industry for a good 1.5 to 2 years. And when I came back, everything here was changed. Right from the format of shows to fashion shows to how events worked and everything. And that's where I realized that when you're in it, you don't know what the change is, but when you leave it for a while and come back, you know exactly how much has changed. So yeah, it is a constant. It's just like how you say, where creative people have constant creativity and things are changing for them. Exactly how our industry works is what I feel.
One last question, one word of advice for the young upcoming students.
It's unfortunate fortunate right now that probably because of the pandemic and probably because of the situation right now, maybe the opportunities may go lesser. But I believe that this industry has worked for everybody. Right from a dress dada to a biggest fashion designer, and there are tons of opportunities, so don't give up, keep working hard, believe in your goals, believe in yourself, and all the best.
Yes, mostly parents probably know me better and kids know me the best. I own the largest chain of kids play area in Maharashtra, second in the country. It's called Bacha Party Indoor Playscape. I've become like a lady Santa Claus in Mumbai. From Thane to Malad, Powai, Parla, where all my outlets are. Everybody probably recognizes me because of that. And yes, so I'm known as the Bacha Party lady right now. And it's a pleasure being known as the same. So much of love from the parents and the kids, so it's amazing.
Could you say a few words about today's event?
So I'm really looking forward to this event because these college students, they have so much of talent, and because before I started Bacha Party, I was also doing PR for a lot of these fashion designers. Manali being there, I've been with her for so long, and I've known her and I've been friends with her for so long. So seeing this new talent budding here today, I'm really looking forward to this show, and even more exciting because I'm going to be with Manali again and we're going to do this together, so it's super fun.
Thanks to introduce yourself because कुछ नए लोग हमेशा होते हैं जो आपको नहीं जानते हैं और जो आपको जानते हैं आपको कुछ और अच्छी तरह जान सकते हैं. So my name is Amit Dolavat, primarily an actor, a face of a lot of brands like Asian Paints and Hyundai and LIC. Primarily a lot of good television work I've done, and currently also I have a big show on air for Star Prava and Disney Plus Hotstar. It's called Nave Lakshya, where I play the central role. And I love doing different things. जैसे कि this also interests me a lot of fashion and coming and encouraging people. क्योंकि एक वक्त था जब मैं स्टूडेंट था तब कुछ जजेस आते थे हमारे कॉलेज में हमारे इवेंट्स के लिए और हमें encourage करते थे. उनके encouragement की वजह से हम आज यहाँ हैं. तो जब भी मौका मिलता है कि जहाँ पर जाकर आप एक अच्छा शो देख सकें, कुछ नए लोगों को encourage कर सकें. So I'm here and I'm also here for my friends Shai, Logo and Namrata. So that's about it.
What is your advice to the budding entrepreneurs who are wanting to come into the fashion industry?
I think the first right step is education, which they've already taken. So right education, a lot of hard work, sincerity, of course, luck would play a lot of important part, and constantly going with the times. Adapting is the word actually. So that's my advice.
ये फैशन शो वगैरह में ये आई थिंक मेरा सेकंड चांसेस है, मतलब आने के लिए आज मौका मिला. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और ऐसा सिचुएशन में आने के लिए इतना मौका नहीं मिलता है हम लोगों को. हम तो म्यूजिशियन हैं, सिंगर्स लोग हैं, तो बहुत ही मतलब भाग्य की बात है, बोलते हैं ना, वो किस्मत की बात है. अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके. और
आपका नया एल्बम आ रहा है तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए क्या?
सर वो एल्बम नहीं है, वो फिल्म है, कल ही रिलीज होने वाला है जी सिनेमा पे. वो काफ़ी लॉकडाउन के वजह से हो नहीं पा रहा था, जबकि अप्रैल 18 तारीख को रिलीज़ होने वाला था 2020 में. तो 2020 तो गया लॉकडाउन में, 2021 भी चला गया लॉकडाउन में. तो फाइनली जी सिनेमा पे रिलीज़ हो रहा है. फिल्म का नाम है हाथी मेरे साथी. राणे डगुपति और पुलकित सम्राट के एक स्टोरी है, बेसिक ओरिजिनल स्टोरी से इंस्पायर होकर वो फिल्म बन गया है. आप जब भी कल रिलीज़ होगा तो आप लोगों को पता चलेगा. बहुत अच्छा स्टोरी है, आप लोग ज़रूर देखिएगा.
इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल फैशन शो. आई हर्ड अ लॉट अबाउट इट और दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम कमिंग हियर. और बस मैं यहाँ आया हूँ. आई एम जस्ट हियर टू मोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट्स. जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको मैं मेरे कुछ इंसिडेंट्स, मेरी जर्नी, मेरा जो पाथ जो रहा है, मैं किस हिसाब से उनको इंस्पायर कर सकता हूँ. बस इट्स ऑल अबाउट दैट एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ ग्रेट इवेंट, आई एम श्योर, एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट यार. बस अंदर जाके मेरी परफॉर्मेंस है अभी कुछ ही समय में. सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड.
आपके कुछ अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में?
जी, अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स में देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ सॉन्ग्स व्हिच आई हैव बीन राइटिंग एंड कंपोजिंग सिंस अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बहुत सारे गाने हैं. बॉलीवुड में कुछ लोग के साथ गाने हैं. मैं चाहूँगा जब वो गाने आए धीरे धीरे तभी आप डायरेक्टली वो गाने सुनें.